All right, hey guys, so it is day 3. We are in Grafton, leaving our lovely Warm Showers host. We woke up this morning to fresh coffee and some really awesome like blueberry bread made from a sourdough starter, which I will totally learn more about, but it's really super awesome. But our friend showed up in the background, so there are now 3 of us. So Pete is here and we are getting ready to go to the Lion's Den Gorge, and we will totally just relax and enjoy coffee out there and just kind of watch the morning sun, and then head on down to Milwaukee. Bye Oreo, we'll see you next time.
Very patient though.
Alright guys, so I showed you how I make the pre-prep cereal granola with powdered milk, and today I'm just gonna kind of show you how I do it in the field. So I brought my collapsible dog bowl, which is really nice, it's for structure, and then I have a swell bottle which really keeps the water nice and cold. So the water that's in here, put ice water in like 2 days ago and it's still nice and cold, so it gives you that nice cold milk. So basically just open up the bag and kind of roll it down, and then I use the collapsible bowl simply for structure. It doesn't make a mess at all, but it gives me something to hold that the bag isn't like flopping all around. And just add enough cold water to your bowl for your liking, for how much milk you actually want. I like mine kind of still like not so runny, and then I just take the bag and just kind of do that and just get it nice and moist. And then from there, you got yourself a nice homemade backpacking granola. It's really good. Bon appetit!
This way. Yeah,
Okay.
this way tightens, okay? So if it's hard to get up into the low gears, you're gonna tighten it.
Okay.
If
So-
it doesn't wanna come
yeah.
down into the high gears, then you loosen it. So it's opposite, okay? Same with the front,
Okay.
okay? This is the front, and you can kind of guide your fingers up and go, okay, this is the front here, this
Okay.
is the rear here.
Awesome.
You know, just so you know.
Perfect.
Um,
All right guys, so I'm here at Extreme Ski and Bike. Just had my chain tightened up. It was pretty darn sloppy. I was kind of staying in the high gear because I was too afraid to drop down low. But we're all squared away now, so Michigan, here we come. Hey guys, so day 3 is down. We are done. It was an awesome day. We started out in Grafton and kind of went over to the Lion's Den where we had breakfast and coffee and just really kind of further enjoyed the moment. And then after that, we just ended up making our way back to the inner urban trail and bringing it south. Stopped off at the bike shop in Thiensville where they were able to totally fix my chain. I mean, my shifting was a bit sloppy, so went there and Carrie made some adjustments for me, and she actually did all the manual labor in the rear on the derailleur, made all of the adjustments so that I could just kind of use the tension at the front and kind of do the easy work of adjustment as I need to in the future. So I'm very thankful for that. And to top it off, she wasn't really even open, but she totally hooked me up. So shout out to Extreme Ski and Bike. They will definitely take care of their people, that is for sure. So after leaving the bike shop, we stopped at Brown Deer Park, where my buddy Pete, he brought this really awesome Hungarian sausage, and I mean, it was perfect because I literally stopped and said I could go for some salami and cheese. He's like, I don't know what to do about the cheese, but I have this Hungarian sausage, and it was absolutely delicious. So that kind of fueled me and got me excited, and kind of fueled us for the rest of the day. Headed down to the lakeshore right in front of the art museum, just stopped and enjoyed the scenery and rested a bit before sliding down into Bayview, where we are tonight. We're at a Warm Showers host, and I mean, gosh, Pam is absolutely amazing in Bayview. So if you're looking for an awesome Warm Showers host, you definitely want to stop here. You'll be taken care of for sure. Just a wonderful cycling network through the Warm Showers, and we are learning so much about cycling and the experience of other tourists, and they're sharing their tribal knowledge with us, and we're kind of putting little things in our tool bag to make our future adventures just more exciting. So I'm really having a great time. Tomorrow we will get on the high-speed ferry and head over to Michigan. First time doing that. So that'll be exciting. And then we're gonna bike. Tomorrow's gonna be a lighter day for us. So we'll bike north about 20 miles, where we'll stay at a hotel in the New Era area and just kind of rest and relax and enjoy the beach and the weather and the hot tub. Excited for that. And then the next day we have about a 45-mile ride up to Ludington, where we will stay at another host house before heading on the SS Badger, taking us over. So very excited to share future adventures with you, having a blast. My husband is kind of like really getting into this, so I'm excited. I think we have another tour on our hands. Very excited about that.
It is good.
Oh, he said is good. So that's all for today, folks. Ride safe, ride often, and don't forget to subscribe.